am back. Yesterday was my Whatnot sale. I can't think of what day this post. Maybe my Whatnot sales. Yeah, yesterday was one of my Whatnot sales, and I am exhausted. I am still going through this huge mess behind me, getting ready for the next Whatnot sale, which will be on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. I still have a bunch of stuff, as you can see, to go through. Some of this has sold already, and then some of it is coming up. Let's get into it. So I ended up getting all these dolls for $3 a piece, which is insane. Some of them have music boxes, some of them work, some of them don't. They were all in like pristine condition. These ones were really interesting. There's a couple like this. They have like a almost plasticky cloth face instead of just the like, I don't know. Yeah, this one's like the original cloth face, but there's like, this is a weird material. I don't think I've seen it before. They are ones, here it is up close. Look at how weird that is. I love the big eyes. I normally don't pick up the Korea ones because they're usually more pricey and they don't sell for as much. However, these were all pristine and all $3 a pop. So I grabbed all of them. I wasn't weird like I normally am where I leave a couple. Let's see. I'm just trying to like get them all out. Now, I am going to split these up. I think they're going to go on, they're all going to go on Whatnot probably. Maybe one or two I'll leave for Etsy, but I'm going to divide them up. I'll probably put a few. This one's so awesome. Look at the dress. I'll probably put a few on last night's sale, which was Sunday, I guess. And then a few on Wednesday night's sale. Sorry, my allergies are still really bothering me, so I'm a little out of breath here. Oh my gosh, so funny. I don't even remember them wearing undergarments like that. Yeah, they all have like really in-depth descriptions too. The purple, pink, and red. This one's, it's got like a telephone back yesterday. Huh. Photograph. Very cool. $3 a pop. Great deal. Now, in hindsight, I kind of wish I had grabbed more of these. I grabbed 3. They were $7 a piece. I grabbed the Amberina one. I also grabbed this Tiffany blue. Love that color. And, of course, I grabbed the hand-painted one that was signed. Super good deal. They were definitely the ones that stood out to me the most out of the group, but like I said, I just kind of ran out of time and money. Not time, just steam and money, really. I had spent almost $500 here. So, actually, I think it has been, yeah, $471. I picked up these amber glass salt and pepper shakers, too. They were kind of just a great deal. I liked the look of it. Very 1970s. They were only $5.60. Now, this was something I was really excited about. I'm really curious about how much this will go for. I am even hesitant to list it on any other platform other than eBay. I kind of feel like this is one of those things that might do well on eBay. It is a lucite table lighter marked Japan. I paid up for it too. I don't think I've ever seen one that big. Yeah, I paid $13.30, which, to be honest, for what it is, I don't think is anything. I would have probably even paid double that almost. I'm not sure how much it will sell. I am going to try it on Whatnot, but it's definitely gonna, I don't know if it would do well on Whatnot, actually. This is like a very collectible item. This is one of those things that I feel like people have keyword searches. I haven't cleaned up that vendor's sticker yet. Man, it really, I hate when you go to antique malls and the item's in better condition without the tag, because it's like, it's made it this long. Why do you have to ruin it? Speaking of different, let me not go on a negative tangent there. These, I am almost thinking about keeping. I've been kind of back and forth with them. I'm definitely not going to give them away. I paid $16.10 for them because as an avid salt and pepper shaker person, I've never seen them anywhere near this size. So cool. They do have a couple minor imperfections there. They are marked Japan. Super retro, epic set. I was showing my gentleman friend. he was like, man, those are cool. So, I don't know. We're going to put them on Etsy perhaps, and I'm just not going to give them away. I'm looking for this little condiment jar. Here it is. So I paid $5 for it. I loved the luster and the little lovebirds on it. And, of course, it came with its original spoon. This is more stuff that's kind of everything everywhere. I picked up this little vase. It's got the bamboo print on it. This stuff I, like, really have not gone through at all. Oh, my gosh. Please excuse my mess here. I normally do this in my desk area, but I got so much stuff that it was too much. Too much going on over there already, especially with whatnot going on. I paid $3 for it. This is going to be in Wednesday night's upcoming sale. That's Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern. I also got this. I couldn't resist. It was just kind of strange. It was only $4. I was picking up some really good deals there. Just thought it would be fun. Here's something I normally wouldn't pick up. I did like the shape of it. Of course, I liked the price. It was only $4.50. Maybe it's Austrian, but it had like little Bo Peep on it or something. So again, for $4.50, I thought this would be a good whatnot item since I've been switching it up. All right, so here, I picked this up because I loved everything about it. The fact that she's swinging, the bunny, the birds. What's funny about it is I paid $11.25, and I ended up finding another one when I went to my second place. And this one I only paid $5 for. So it's got some situations happening on the bottom there. I mean, that one's new old stock. This one's in really good condition, though. I mean, they both are. It's just the base of this one has seen better days. So maybe one will go to Etsy and one will go to whatnot. I'm not sure, but I still don't feel bad about paying $11 for it. I think it's a really neat piece. Check out this necklace. I normally don't pick stuff up like this up. Probably because when it's all together, it's kind of harder to stick out. But it was Hong Kong. I thought it had a really neat look to it. And it was only $2. A lot of the times, like, when the jewelry's all together, it's just like my bracelets. Like, if I maybe saw, like, one of these bracelets on their own, except for my star bangle, I might not pick it up. But it's like, when it's all together, kind of curated, it looks more fun. So I guess that's why I have a hard time with the jewelry situation, because it's normally like so much stimulation in one spot. But for $2, I had to grab this super fun necklace. This will be coming up in Wednesday night's whatnot sale. Also grabbed this necklace. This one was $4.50, and I'm not upset about it. I have never gotten my hands on a cloisonné beaded necklace, especially because they're usually expensive, and it's not usually what I sell, so I was nervous about it. But at $4.50, it was like a good foot in the door. I'm trying to remember not to neglect my Etsy while I'm out here building my whatnot. Now, I paid $5 for this doily. I love the embroidered cats. I've had this one before. I've had different variations of it. This will probably go to Etsy. This is very much so my Etsy shop style. Well, I'm kind of upset about this. This is my own fault. I accidentally broke his jingle bell off of his foot there. But these are really hard to find in this size. I got a really good deal on it. I paid $10.80. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him. He'll either end up on Etsy or I'll hold on to him for a little bit. Christmas has just not been selling that well for me. I do sell Christmas year-round, so I'm kind of shameless about it. But it's been so long since I've even seen one of these that I want to make sure I don't give it away. Speaking of Christmas, I also paid $10.80 for this fantastic Dream Pets dachshund. I love the fact that he had the Merry Christmas and the faux floral. He was only $10.80. He was definitely a harder to find one, so I am going to go ahead and put that on my Etsy. I've had a version of the Get Well Soon planter. There's more than one version. There's a few versions. A couple of them I really like. I have never had this one. I love its cartoony eyes. I think it's so cute. Now, the one I had was the more common one with the droopy-eyed dog. This one is just so cute. I love the condition. The fact that it was $5. Super epic deal. I think I'm going to go ahead and put this one on my Etsy. It is very much so my Etsy shop style, and like I said, I'm really trying not to neglect my Etsy. Also going on Etsy, I picked this little lamp planter up. This one was only $4. There was 2 of them. I wish I had gotten both. One had some damage to it. It had a hairline, but still, at $4, I felt like I could have made a couple dollars off of it. And like I said, it's for like maybe one of those collectors that rather pay like $7 or something for one that's not perfect instead of full price for one that is. This one will probably go list for about like $16. The farther I go, the more complicated my receipt seems, but this is the next thing I picked up. This is definitely German. I think it was only $1.60, which is insane. So obviously you know why I picked it up if it was that cheap. Again, I think it's German. I can tell by the font on the letters there, as well as the expression. Although there is some Japan stuff that has a similar expression. I think I might have even paid $8 for this. Is that right? It's German, huh? I'm not sure. Like I said, my receipt's a little funny. There was so much going on there. I spent over 4 hours there. I think I spent $8 on this. I would do it again. I think it's pretty awesome. This is going to go in Wednesday night's sale. It's in really great condition. I'm confused about these. Now, I thought I paid $5 each, but I guess I paid $2.50. This little rubber Cupid doll with the crocheted outfit. I've had this one before. They usually sell really quick. Yeah, it's got the little wings. So cute. And this one is Irwin, USA. This one is definitely harder to find at... Is that right? Am I just making that up? No, I am right. I never even stopped to make sure it was marked because I just recognized its look. But it's awesome to find this in its crocheted little outfit for that price. I'm not sure if this will go on Whatnot or Etsy. I have to take better stock like once I start my listings on how many things I'm actually adding to my Etsy. Because like I said, I don't want to just like only post on Whatnot now. Oh, you know what is going to go on my Etsy that I haven't showed you yet? Is this epic bear. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me fix him up. What a steal. I only paid $20 for him. He is jointed. He's got the glass eyes. I absolutely love him. These are really hard to find at anywhere near affordable prices. I mean, I usually see him for like $100 or something at least while I'm out. So $20, I definitely scooped him up. This will be going to my Etsy. I only have a few things left to go. I believe I paid $10 for this planter. This is definitely one of the better selling ones. I think the last one I sold for $34. I could be wrong. It could have been more. I might have to go back and double check. It might have even been $46. But of course that was on Etsy and it includes my US shipping fee, which for something like this is around $8-9. So might be better to post for $34. I'll have to go back and do a little math, but this is in great condition. And like we've seen this year, it's been really hard to find Valentine's Day stuff, especially Japan Valentine's Day stuff at reasonable prices, let alone in good condition. And just a quick sold update. I'm here boxing up your orders. Please excuse my mess. Now, I told you I'd tell you when this guy sold, and sure enough, it sold right on the money. I was going to list it originally on my Etsy account for $76, which of course would have included free US shipping, but the fees are also significantly less than eBay. Now, it sold for $74 on eBay, and it would have been $76 on Etsy, and I still took away the same amount of money. Yes, that is crazy that the fees on eBay are so much higher that I would make the same amount giving away free shipping on Etsy. So $74, super cute Norcrest bunny pixie, perfect condition, is about to go to its new home. I'm not hooked up to a tripod, so I hope that wasn't making you dizzy. I just was like, oh crap, I almost forgot. So let me get back to whatever I was doing. I also got this little blown glass vase. I only paid $4 for this one. This one is going to go in the upcoming Whatnot sale. Again, I paid $1.50 for these super cute little old new stock Raggedy Ann and Raggedy Andy hair clips. Super fun. I love finding vintage hair clips. They're kind of hard to find though. Last up, I got this rabbit. He's seen better days. He doesn't squeak. He definitely has some wear. I'm going to try and clean him up a little bit. But he is just fantastic. I want to say I paid $5.60. I can't find it on the receipt. Yes, $5.60. There it is. Of course, as soon as I said it, I saw it. But I just couldn't resist his face. He was super unique. I'm not sure how well he'll clean up. He is very much so my Etsy shop style, but just because of his condition, I'm not sure. I might put him on my whatnot. So, hold on, let me turn my camera around. That was kind of a chaotic haul. I try to be a little bit more organized when I do these, but I have been rolling through with adding all my items to whatnot and trying to take time for myself. Like I said, I've been taking the weekends off. It's been super nice. So I will see everybody. Let me think about this. This is Monday. Yes, this has to be Monday. So my next Whatnot sale is on Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Eastern. Follow that bug. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m.